I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to a very special edition of That's My Jam. So you guys will remember a while back I had my friend Leslie come and do an episode of Cooking with Friends with me. Today I'm going to do another episode. So I want you to meet my... Wait, where'd she go?
Hello, it's me, and I'm Jade.
My friend Jade is here to do the very first Cooking with Kids episode.
Yep.
So Jade and I have been friends for a few months now.
Yep.
Jade's great-grandfather and my father were the very best of friends, and that's how we met.
Yep.
We hit it off right away, don't you think? Don't you think we became friends pretty quick?
Yeah.
We became friends pretty quick.
Yeah.
So when I asked Jade to help me out with the very first episode of Cooking with Kids, she said,
Yes.
all right. So Jade, what are we going to be making today?
We're going to be making dirt cups.
Dirt cups?
Yeah. Okay. So don't be too afraid because it's not actual dirt and worms. It's not going to be actual real life things. But you'll see how we'll be making the dirt and the worms. But just trust me, it's not actual live things in the dirt. It'll be fake.
Okay. So Jade, what's our first ingredient?
We do need vanilla pudding.
Okay, how much?
2 boxes.
Okay.
Thank you. Well, that was pretty interesting.
Now what's our next step?
Now we need to add it to a big old bowl.
Woohoo! Oh, that's so awesome.
Okay, now let's pour it in.
Okay.
1 done. Put it right here. Okay, and then we need a lot of this dirt cup. Now we're gonna add 3 big cups of milk.
Can you do it yourself?
Yes. Very big. Whoa. It's okay, we can clean that up. Okay, that was it. Now let's clean this up because I don't want to leave it on my hand. Now we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That in.
So we did...
Okay, we did that. Okay, now we're going to whisk all that together. Ooh, that's hot. Now let's put this in the refrigerator. Okay, now we're going to chomp up these party-sized Oreos in here.
Perfect.
Now let's get on.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah?
So Jade, while you're putting the Oreos in the chopper, what do you know about Pink Floyd?
I mean, I don't really know about that person.
Well, do you know anything about Led Zeppelin?
I mean, kinda.
What about the Rolling Stones? Well, who do you like?
I like Dolly Parton.
Did you say Dolly Parton?
Yeah.
I knew this was a cool kid.
Now we're going to top up our Oreos. Now. Now we're going to set this aside for a minute.
Yeah, perfect.
I don't know how to push it.
That's okay. I can push it. So, what do we need in that mixing bowl?
Now we just need 1 piece of butter and it's going to be soft. So if you want to make it, you also have to have soft, not hard.
So you just lay it out in the morning so that it can be soft by the time you want to make your...
Yeah, in the morning you want it to be soft when you're going to be making your dirt cup. Yeah,
Okay.
you just don't want it on the floor. Make sure you don't have dogs like that on the floor. And then they'll eat it. And then now we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Whop, pop. Okay, now we have 8 ounces of cream cheese. It doesn't go in. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can't right now. Now let's blend this up. And then, what number do we need it to? Right here?
Go again.
Okay, it should be good. Now we're going to put 1 tub of Cool Whip. Make sure you use all of it. If you're eating pie for dinner, don't worry. Okay, now let's mix this all together. Wait, can I lick it off?
Yes, just make sure you put it in the sink afterwards.
Yeah.
While Jade is over there licking her spoon, I'm gonna mix this all together just lightly.
What do I need this?
Oh, I thought your hands were wet. Okay. Okay. Now, I want you to...
Remember we made our pudding?
Yes. What are we gonna do with that?
It's right here.
And what are we gonna do with it?
You already know. In here.
Mix it in there. Okay. Is it heavy?
No, I was just making a reaction.
Please note we are now using a clean rubber spatula.
Yes, it's true. Please don't use one that is when it's done after licking it.
No, don't use a licked one.
Yes, that's important.
I don't see you. Together.
Now we're gonna mix this all together, and it should go all the way to, hold on, let me go check.
Medium, like number 3.
Okay, now let's put it in medium. Oh wait, okay, it's on the place. Make sure you don't want to make a big mess. Okay, 1, 2.
I think that's good. Leave it at 2.
Let's go with this.
Yeah, I'm gonna lick this. Hey, that's pretty good. That's what our mixture looks like when we get everything combined. Okay, we have 2 little glass bowls that we're going to use for taste testing later.
Yeah.
And then we have these 2 bowls, so Jade can take one home and I'll keep one here.
Yes.
So, Jade, that really looks like dirt.
It's not.
You ready? So what do we do next?
Now we're gonna put a full cup of dirt in there, and you can put it in your bowl. So I have 1 bowl, and we each have 1 bowl for taste buds.
Okay, so we have a layer of dirt in each one of the containers. What next?
I want more dirt.
You want more dirt?
Yeah.
Well, hold on, because we'll do a second layer.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
So now we have a layer of dirt in each of our containers. What do we do next?
Make sure it's this big, but not too big. Well, maybe a little bit smaller, because it's a little bit too much. Kind of like this. Okay, I'm done with that one.
So we have a layer of dirt and then a layer of the pudding mixture. Now we're going to do another layer of dirt.
I'm still working on mine, but I will be done soon. Oh.
Okay, now we need to do one more pudding. And then we'll do one more dirt.
You can do all that.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to do the dirt.
Hang on. Oh, yeah, you can do it in the glass bowls. The big ones, I'm not ready yet.
Yeah, I know.
Now we have another layer of pudding, and we just need one more layer of dirt.
We're done with these two. Put these off to the side. Wow, this is so good.
You want me to pour it?
Just pour it. There we go.
Now, spread it out nice. Yeah. And that's going to be the layer that shows, so try to get that one looking pretty. All right, Jade, I'm really anxious to taste this. So even though these didn't sit in the refrigerator overnight, we're going to taste test them anyway. What do you think?
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
What do you think?
I think 7 out of 10, but if it sits overnight and tomorrow, it'll be a 10.
A 10 out of 10.
But you know, that really does look like dirt.
But it's just Oreos. Oh, wait. I forgot. There's one thing missing.
What?
Worms. What?
It's so gross.
No? Now you can taste yours with worms.
But I don't know if I want to taste it with worms.
Taste it. Trust me. Don't even smell it.
It's sour.
They're sour. They're candy.
Jade, I really enjoyed cooking with you today. I hope you had fun.
I did. And I hope you guys at home, or whatever you guys are, I hope you will enjoy making it too. But it might be a little bit of a mess, but it's okay because you'll just have fun.
Do you think you would like to come back and do it again sometime?
Yeah, but next time we're not going to do dirt cups. It's going to be a it's going to be a surprise. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video of That's My Jam with me, Jade, and Stacy. Oh yeah, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe below.